Transition words. Building bridges in your essay. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a key component of writing that ensures smoothness and coherence in your essays: transition words and phrases. Just as bridges connect islands, transition words connect your ideas and make your writing flow seamlessly. Transition words act as the glue that binds different parts of your essay together. They help guide your reader through your thoughts, ensuring that your essay has a logical flow. For example, without transition words, your essay might feel choppy and disconnected. It's like driving on a road full of potholes. But with the right transition words, your essay will feel like a smooth highway ride. There are several types of transition words, each serving a unique purpose. 1. Additive transitions. These add information. Examples include additionally, furthermore, moreover. 2. Adversative transitions. Used to signify conflict, contradiction, or opposition. Examples are, however, on the other hand, yet. 3. Causal transitions. Show the cause and effect relationships. Examples: because, therefore, thus. 4. Sequential transitions. Indicate a sequence or order. Examples: first, next, finally. When integrating transition words into your essay. 1. Don't overuse them. While they're useful, overusing transition words can make your essay seem repetitive. 2. Vary your choices. Instead of always using however or additionally, mix it up. Variety keeps your writing fresh. 3. Context is key. Ensure that the transition words you choose align with the meaning you intend to convey. When moving from the introduction to the body of your essay, use transition words to signal the shift. Here's an example. Now that we've explored the history of this issue, let's delve into its current implications. The phrase, "let's delve into," smoothly transitions your reader from the background information and the introduction to the main points you'll cover in the body. Transition words are like the secret sauce to a well-structured essay. They provide clarity, direction, and smoothness to your writing, ensuring that your reader can easily follow your thoughts. Remember, just like building a bridge, choosing the right transition words requires thought and intention. Happy writing!